Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a text fade transition effect in Premiere Pro. So as you can see over here, I've already added a video and a text that I would like to add a fade transition effect to. Now with the text clip highlighted, go over to your effects control panel, and under opacity I'm going to select the free draw bezier, and I'm going to create a rectangle around my text over here. Next, we want to position our playhead to where we want the text fade to begin. And at this position, I'm going to go over and select the mask part over here. And if after clicking it, you can no longer find this rectangle, all you need to do is to select this mask once more. So at this position, the next thing you do is to select this mask and pull it out till your text is no longer visible. And move over to the position where you want your text to be revealed again. And at this position, you drag the mask part completely out again till your text is completely visible, and this will create another keyframe over here. Now if I deselect my text and I hit play, you can see what we have created over here. And if the text fade is too slow for you, you can select the text and go over to your effects control panel and draw the keyframes closer, and this will speed up the text animation. But what we have here looks more like a wipe and not like a fade. So what you are going to do next is to come over to our mask feather here and increase it. So if you go over now and hit play, you can see what we have created over here. And if you want your text to fade out again at another position, all you need to do is to move your playhead to the position where you want it to begin to fade out. And at this position, you can add another keyframe by selecting this little diamond icon over here, and you move over to where you want it to completely fade out and select your mask once more and drag this mask completely out of the preview window. And if you go over to the beginning now and hit play, you can see what we have created over here. So it fades in, it stays for a while, and then it fades out. And that's it guys on how to create the text fade transition effect in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video tomorrow.